Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to complete administrator certification maintenance for spring 23rd release. So I have already provided quiz answers in description, so do check that. Let's get started with our second challenge now. So here is our second challenge, so let's launch this. So let's go back to our setup now. So once you launch our setup, click on Object Manager. In this we are going to find case. So search case, click on case now. Here we are going to select Lightning record pages. So click on that and followed by new. Here we are going to paste this name. So copy that. Click on record page, click on next. So here we are going to provide label as enhanced case layout, followed by object as case. So click on case, click next. Here we are going to switch over a tab of clone Salesforce default page. So we have to select case grouped view default, click on finish. So guys, once if you get this page, we have to click on the header tab over here. Once if you click on this header tab, you will be getting some panel on your right side. You need to click on upgrade now. So we need to upgrade it by giving migrate. Click on next. So here we are going to select case layout and click on finish. So we are going to follow the same step on this right side details pan also. So for this, if you click on this case owner section, you will get the same upgradation part in your right side. So click on upgrade now. We are going to follow the same step. Click on next. So here we are going to select case layout and click on finish. And once if we have completed that step, we need to scroll down and select additional information. Make sure you have selected the right one. So select additional information and we have to now click on add filter, followed by field as a priority. So we are going to set visibility over here. So select priority equal I. So once it is done, click on done and we need to save this now. Click on save. So once if we save this page, we are ready to activate it now. Click on activate and here we are going to select it as assign as org default, followed by desktop and phone. Click on next. Click on save. So we have completed our challenge now. Let's go back to our challenge and check it. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.